Hello everyone! Ever wondered how plants actually make their own food? Well, it all happens inside tiny little green structures that are called chloroplasts. You can think of them like solar powered factories of plant cells. Let us zoom in and check them out. Well, chloroplasts are found only in plant cells, mostly in the leaves where sunlight can reach. They have a double membrane, and inside you'll find a fluid called stroma. Remember the word stroma. Plus, it also has stacks of disc-shaped membranes that is known as thylakoids. Thylakoids, thylakoids. And when you stack disc-shaped membranes, you call that granum. So, in summary, we can understand that they're found in leaves mostly, and the sunlight can reach there, and they just trap the sunlight. They also have a double membrane, and inside it, you will find stroma. And stacks of disc-shaped membranes are called thylakoid, and a stack of these disc is called a granum. Now, the photosynthesis. Now, you know what is really important in chloroplasts? That they're filled with chlorophyll. It is a green pigment that captures the sunlight. So, what do chloroplasts really do? Their main job is photosynthesis, which is making food for plants using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. See, I've told you, chlorophyll, it captures that sunlight. Now, there's a simple equations that we need to know. 6CO2 plus 6H2O, and it results in C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Now, how do you remember this hard equation, right? So 6CO2, it is pretty much just carbon dioxide, but you just add 6 before. And the same for 6H2O. H2O is just water, so just add 6 before it. And C6H12O6, it is the chemical equation for glucose. So you just have to memorize it, and it's quite simple. C6H12O6. So the letters go like CHO, and the numbers go like 6206. And you just add 6O2. O2 is what? Oxygen. Just add 6 before. So overall, we can understand it just means carbon dioxide plus water equals to glucose plus oxygen. In other words, sunlight powers the process. Chloroplasts do the magic, and the result is food for the plants and oxygen for us. Now, time for a brain break trivia. So, did you know that sharks existed before trees? Yes, sharks were swimming around in the ocean more than 400 million years ago, while the first trees only appeared around 350 million years ago. Crazy, isn't it? Now, back to chloroplasts. So, for plants, photosynthesis makes glucose, which can be used for energy or can be stored for the growth of the plant. And for us, chloroplasts are lifesavers, like literally. They release oxygen, we know that. And oxygen, we all need oxygen to survive. Not only humans, but animals too. Well, let's wrap it up. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells, mostly in the leaves. They contain chlorophyll to capture sunlight. Their main job is photosynthesis, which is making glucose and oxygen. And without them, plants and we, I guess we wouldn't be alive. So next time you see a green leaf, remember inside there are millions of tiny factories hard at work. Here's a challenge. If you ever get to use a microscope, try spotting a chloroplast in a leaf cell. Well, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more biology made simple. See you in the next video. Thank you.